So, deep learning. You hear that term everywhere, right? Usually wrapped up in all these super intimidating buzzwords, but what if we could just cut through all that noise? That's what we're going to do. We're going to demystify this powerful technology right from the very beginning.
Okay, so you've heard them all, right? Artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. And a lot of the time, people use them like they're the exact same thing. But are they? Nope, not really. And you know what? Figuring out how they all fit together, that's the absolute key to unlocking this whole field.
All right, so let's get this straight. We're going to build a really clear mental map here. Think of it like this. You know those Russian nesting dolls, where each one fits perfectly inside the next? That's exactly what we're talking about. So that biggest doll, the giant one on the outside, that's artificial intelligence, AI for short. This is the big, granddaddy concept, the one that's been kicking around since the 1950s. And the goal of AI? It's huge. We're talking about building machines that can think, see, hear, basically make decisions just like a person.
Okay, so now you pop open that big AI doll. And what's inside? Machine learning. See, instead of trying to write a gazillion lines of code for every single possibility, we do something way smarter. We just let the machine learn from examples. It's simple, really. The more data you feed it, the smarter it gets, all on its own.
And then you open up that machine learning doll, and nestled right inside, that's where we find it, deep learning. The real heart of what we're talking about today. This is this super powerful technique that uses these structures with tons and tons of layers. That's where the deep part comes from. And these layers, they let it learn in this really cool hierarchical way. It starts with simple little patterns and then builds them up into these really complex ideas. Kind of like how we learn, right?
So there you have it. That's the relationship. Deep learning is a type of machine learning, and machine learning is a way to achieve artificial intelligence. They're not three different things floating around. They're layers, all part of the same big idea. It's simple. All deep learning is machine learning,